Osteoarthritis is very common, and it basically relates to thinning of the cartilage that lines your joints. If you've sort of exhausted all the treatment options and you have bone-on-bone arthritis, that's when we start to talk about it, surgery. The best option is knee replacement. On the recovery side, we are working toward a much more rapid recovery. The goal is to get you up and moving with physical therapy the same day as surgery. Many patients will go home the same day. The change can be dramatic. A lot of people are emotional about it. It's the first time they've been pain-free in years, and it happens pretty quickly. There's pain from the recovery of the surgery, but within a few weeks, they're very happy and smiling that they had the surgery. By 3 months, they're very happy. The average patient with a hip or knee replacement can enjoy pickleball, doubles tennis, swimming, cycling, hiking, and I'd love to help as many of the patients in this area as possible.